What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. This is All Wings Everything. Yes, you are back in my kitchen with your boy Spinelli, aka the Wing King. Yes, the Prince of Lemon Peppuh. So if you want to learn how to make the best lemon pepper wings on the planet, click that link above and I'm gonna show you guys how to do it. Now, in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to make smoked buffalo wings. Man, this is so delicious. You guys gonna love this one here. So I hope you're in your kitchen. I'm already in mine, so let's go. All right, so here are the ingredients we're gonna use for today's recipe. Let me tell you what we have. Let's do a quick roll call, not many, but guys, I'm telling you, you wanna stick with me with this recipe. So we're gonna start out with our buffalo wing sauce. Now, not the Texas Pete hot sauce, it's the Texas Pete buffalo wing sauce or the Frank's buffalo wing sauce. Remember, not the hot sauce. We're gonna use some honey. I'm gonna use some smoke flavored Hunt's barbecue sauce. Now, you can use whatever preference barbecue sauce you want. You can use regular barbecue sauce, hickory, but since this is a smoked buffalo recipe, I'm using smoked barbecue sauce to stay in alignment with our smoke theme. And I'm gonna use this smoke rub from Hunter's Seasoning and Dry Rubs. Man, I'm telling you, he sent me a gift pack full of seasoning and marinades and sauces. Man, I'm telling you, this smoke rub is some good stuff. I'm gonna leave his information in the video description, guys, so you can check out his IG and also the website. You definitely wanna try some of this stuff right here. This smoke rub is awesome, I'm telling you. All right, and we're gonna use a lime, some garlic cloves, a stick of butter, and we have our wings right here. So these are the ingredients. Let's go ahead and get started. All right, so I've already measured out our ingredients. Let me tell you what we have here. So right here, I have about 1.5 pounds of chicken wings here. I've already cut and cleaned them. I have a cup of that buffalo wing sauce here. I have 1/2 cup of honey, have 1/4 cup of barbecue sauce, the juice of 1 lime, 4 garlic cloves minced, a tablespoon of that smoked rub, and I have a stick of butter right here. So these are the measurements, so let's go ahead and continue. All right, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna start preparing our buffalo sauce. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add our butter, our 1 stick butter. I softened it a little bit so we can get it mixed up. Also next, we're gonna do our barbecue sauce, our lime juice, our crushed garlic, our smoked rub, and we're gonna add our honey. And guys, what I'm gonna do too, just stay in line with that smoke flavor, I'm just gonna add a dash of liquid smoke. And I'm gonna go ahead and give this a good mix like this. And you wanna make sure you get it mixed up real good, guys. Looks like we're good right here. So what we're gonna do is bring our chicken wings back into the shot. I'm gonna take about 1/2 cup of this, starting out, and I'm going to pour it over our wings like this. And I'm probably gonna take just a little bit more. This is probably like 3/4 of a cup. And we're gonna put it over our wings like that. And what we're gonna do with this, we're gonna save this and we're gonna reserve this to after the wings are done, and we're gonna toss our wings in this. So I'm gonna cover this up, sit this aside, and we're just gonna bring this over here and we're gonna get our wings mixed in here like that. And we're gonna let these marinate for about 1 hour, 1.5 hours, and I'm gonna cover them up and I'm gonna let them sit here in this marinade. Not gonna refrigerate it because what's gonna happen is that butter is gonna get all clunky. So I'm gonna leave it out here for about 1 hour, let it marinate. Then we're gonna come back and we're gonna get out there on that grill and we're gonna smoke these babies, all right? Let's go. All right, so we're back after 1.5 hours. So guys, look what we have. So these babies have been sitting in here for 1.5 hours. So what I'm right now doing is I have the grill heating up, getting those coals hot. As soon as we get those coals hot and we get those wood chips on there, we're gonna get these babies to start smoking, all right? So let's head out to the grill. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and get our wood chips on here, get this smoke started. I'm gonna put our grates on here like that. And I'm gonna start placing our wings around our vortex. And we're just gonna cook these babies till the internal temperature is 165 degrees. It'll take about, these are small wings, so it'll take maybe about 20 minutes. So let's go ahead and get it covered up and we'll be checking back in the next 10 minutes. All right, so let's take a look at it after 10 minutes. Guys, look at that, man. Look at that smoke color on there. I'm gonna try to get these babies turned over. Oh man, this looks so good. All right, so we're gonna cover it up and I'm gonna let it cook for another, probably about another 8 to 10 minutes. All right, so we're about 10 minutes, or actually 20 minutes total in. Take a look at what we got, man. Look at these babies here. So I'm gonna take these off. I'm gonna go ahead and put them in our bowl. We are ready. And we're gonna get these babies over here on our cutting board and we're gonna get them sauced up, brother. Guys, take a look at that bowl right there. Oh man, that's a bowl of goodness right there. All right, let's get over and back into the kitchen. Man, guys, take a look at this right here, what we have, man. These babies are smoked to perfection. Look at that on there. Ooh, look at that. Now it's time to go ahead and get them sauced. So what we're gonna do, of course, bring our sauce back into the pitcher. And this is what we have. So I'm gonna go ahead and give it a quick mix because it was sitting there. Get everything back whipped up again. And I'm just gonna pour our smoked barbecue sauce, smoked buffalo sauce over here just like that. Man, look at that. So we're gonna get them tossed in the sauce. So what I'm doing is I'm just gonna cover it up here. I'm telling you, these mixing bowls that I got from Priority Chef comes in handy, guys. And I'm just gonna get them like that, open it up. Oh man, look at that. Guys, take a look at that. All right, so let's go ahead and get these on the cutting board so we can do some quality control because I'm ready. And there you have it, guys. Smoked buffalo wings. Guys, take a look at this. Man, I am not over exaggerating how good it smells, how it looks, and I'm telling you, I already know how it's gonna taste. So I got some of my Hunters. Remember, I got that Hunters seasoned and dry rub, the smoke rub flavor. Oh man. And what I'm gonna do just to top it off, I'm gonna sprinkle some of that dry rub over the top like this. So the measurements and ingredients all in the video description below, guys. So go ahead, check that out. Thanks for picking up that All Wings Everything merch. Also for purchasing the ebook. Guys, if you want to support the channel, join my membership. Helps me bring these delicious recipes to you guys. So let's go ahead and get into quality control because I am ready to test this out. So let's go. Guys, I was just doing quality control and I wasn't even recording. I'm sitting up here eating the wings and talking and the camera just automatically cut off. And I was like, oh, I ain't even recording. So I went through about 2 wings already. But hey, I still got this left. So it just gives me another reason to dig back into it. So guys, I'm gonna go ahead and start off with one of these drums because you know that's what I like. Oh man, look at that. Ooh. Guys, this is delicious. Absolutely delicious. Man, you know, I just did what they do when they push it down, and then I came out with this right here. I heard that's the way you eat them flats. And it's delicious. Man, this is delicious, guys. Guys, this is way different than just regular buffalo. When you think about it, you use the buffalo sauce, but you add that liquid smoke and some smoked rub. And then you smoke it out on the grill. And then you combine that with that buffalo flavor and you got you a masterpiece. So guys, I'm gonna go ahead and get out of here. And until then, I'm your cook, Spinelli. Guys, pick up the ebook. Check out that merch. This is All Wings Everything, and I am out. Peace.